Hi guys, yeah, in DC over there is some of the kids they're walking to school, and I will go to ask them about how they are going to school. Okay, they're walking, so yeah, I was coming back from the market and I see, so I interview there a little bit. Em phải cẩn thận nha. Em phải cẩn thận nè. Em phải cẩn thận vào đêm mà nên mình sao chạy cẩn thận. Em phải chơi số mộng. Để cho nó thi vậy à? Nên mùi nó cho nữa đó. Yeah, they said they always go like this every day, and sometimes there's a cycling also. Yeah, but sometimes, and they take around 30 minutes to go to school. They're just walking. You see the kids how they need education. Yeah, they're walking. They very hurry, so they have no time to talk with me. Yeah. Okay. You see our road is so dangerous. They're walking so fast, so you see. Yeah, so I take this video a little bit for you guys, and I stop my video again. Okay, thank you so